Okay, this is a little bit of a recap on IYR. I use this as a proxy for basically for the real estate ETFs, DRN, URE, and this also, if you follow the real estate in the banks, you can also begin to get a little heads up notice on what may be taking place in the S&P and other indexes. But anyway, we looked at this yesterday, and I just want to take another quick look at it because it looks like it's kind of playing out the way I thought it would. Remember, we drew some trend lines yesterday that showed that over this peak and this peak, we back test here. And that doesn't exactly match up with here, but I'm going to this peak now over this peak. And again, we get a back test. Starting at the same spot, another back test. And of course, one of the lines we're looking at is going to be here to see if we can take this out in the low 55s. But another one that we're bumping up against right now at the end of the day, and really we're kind of over it just a little bit here, which I think is a very positive sign. If we consider this dip, and this dip as an inverted head and shoulders, then what we have is this line that serves as resistance until it's taken out. At the point that it's taken out, then it should become support. Now you'll notice that line went away here. We got over it, but then we pulled back for this back test. What I would be very I don't want to say anxious, but what I'm interested to see for the rest of this week is, does this rally continue? Do we take out this top line up at the very top, which is now red? If we can do that, then I think there's a very high likelihood that real estate is going to head significantly higher. Looking at possibly in the IYR a target price that's going to be $63-ish, something like that. So you can take that, you can do the math, you can say, well, that's roughly, I'm guessing here, 18% on the 54, and if that's the case, then we're looking at a potential 50% increase in the 3x bull ETF DRN. So anyway, just thought I'd throw this out. This is just an update. There's nothing really that new here, except for the fact that, as you can see, we have peaked over this neckline. And that to me is a very good sign. It's not, I mean, it didn't make it by much, but we'll see what happens tomorrow. If we gap up a little bit, then we may take out that red line and just run with it. We'll see. As always, you trade at your own risk. This is for educational purposes, and if you're a sicko, maybe entertainment too. So anyway, good trading, and make sure you stop by the website oldschoolcharts.com, where you'll learn how people did this in years past, just drawing lines on charts. Take care. Bye.